Kakabalik lang din ng Creamline practice and everyone's recharged and recovered from siguro all the dramas and siguro sobrang hard din ng conference namin. So napakasayang bumalik sa practice knowing na we've achieved something last conference.
Tapos first day yesterday with the national team. How was it?
Okay, ito lang po ang siguro statement ko for the national team. I hope you guys understand. I will never get tired of representing the country and hopefully makatulong po tayo in our own little ways. And yung mga details and every other things po, pasensya na po, wala rin po ako masyadong alam. But definitely, once we all have the answers, we will all let you know and sana po maintindihan nyo din. So maraming
Okay,
salamat.
when was the last time you played for the national?
The last time I played for the country, 2023 ata po, SEA Games in Cambodia. So, yeah.
Yung reaction ng Alyssa ng mga puro college players halos yung nandun sa unang batch.
Nako, napakasaya siguro. For me, napakasaya to be surrounded by young, talented girls and hopefully dumami pa rin and sana talaga magtulong-tulungan din tayo para and support these girls kasi sobra din yung pasasalamat natin and they deserve to be here as well.
May ito serve as an inspiration for you.
Sana po maging inspiration to. Pero yun lang po muna masasabi ko sa national team. Pasensya na po and sana maintindihan nyo din po. So next time ulit, pag nagkita-kita ulit tayo, sana mas madami na din po akong alam para mas madami po akong masagot at masabi sa
Isa
inyo.
lang, yung sa youth volleyball camp nga pala, what's the latest nga pala? Ano yung mga abangan natin?
So hopefully magkaroon po ako ng AVYVC camp at latter of this year para sa ating mga kabataan din. So I'll update you guys on it.
PBL question. Maging 10 na lang yung PBL. So how does this affect Creamline in your campaign?
Honestly, I think if there's one thing na nakakasad, ayaw din naman natin kumukonti din yung team sa PVL. Siguro we wanna welcome other teams pa rin talaga and other clubs na gustong sumali. Pero I think if there's the con naman and pros and cons, isa na din talaga yung mas tumitindi na din talaga yung laban, mas beef na lahat ng mga teams. So talagang kailangan namin maghanda sa team para ma-defend din yung title.
Any
Sa draft na
developments
lang.
on the
Sa draft?
Draft, anong position yung napag-iisipan nyo na?
Sa draft, itatanong natin kay Coach Sherwin. Pero kung sino man mapupunta sa amin sa Creamline Queens Mashers, very welcome siya sa team.
Sa Spikers Turf naman, are there any new developments on the Spikers Turf this forthcoming conference natin in September?
Wala pa pong other details but once we have all the details, we will let you know then. Pero hopefully katulad din tayo ng siguro magkaroon din tayo ng reinforced. Hopefully, yun din talaga yung wish natin. But hopefully po. But now, wala pa pong further na mga iba pang details doon.
How would you grade your health? 100 hindi ako matas 100. Yung personal.
Thank you, Alliance. 101. 100 po.
About dun sa Alliance, does it give you, kasi yun nga, we know na ang daming nawawalang teams on both leagues. What does it say about, having this as a partner? I guess does that add to your
Longevity as a team.
Yeah.
I would say we're very grateful for all these sponsors, Alliance, Hello Money and all our other sponsors kasi it makes our team more stable, more flexible also to do other things and talagang na-inspire kami, na-motivate kami to do better kasi may mga sumusuporta sa amin ganito. So sana mas dumami pa yung sumuport.
Is that something you think other teams should explore?
I think other teams, I would say yes kasi I think at the end of the day, team should be, it's something to be, I'd say, teams right now with all the players, iba na din yung market value ng mga club teams eh. So I think it's something na eventually mag-open up din yung mga doors na to and opportunities to other club teams. So sana po, i-support natin sa Creamline muna. Hindi, sa lahat po ng team. Sa PVL and sa lahat, Spikers Turf and sa national team and sa lahat po ng mga teams natin. So, thank you po. Thank you, kumain na kayo!